Habitat for Humanity has been around for over 30 years and is probably one of the most recognized and reliable nonprofit organizations in the United States. Together with the communities, the families, and the volunteers, they've built over 300,000 houses around the world, specifically in the Asia-Pacific region. Today, Habitat for Humanity shelters over 1,500,000 people. Former President Bill Clinton describes Habitat for Humanity as one of the most successful and sustainable community service projects ever. One of the unique features about Habitat for Humanity amongst other nonprofit organizations is that aside from just making donations, volunteers can gain hands-on experience. And for the families, they also partake in the building process, which gives them responsibility as well. So through the interaction, we get to learn more about their culture and what causes their poverty. And hopefully through understanding the underlying problems, we can improve their living situations. A unique feature about the Habitat for Humanity project amongst other nonprofit organizations is the revolving fund, which means that homeowners pay their no-interest loans at an affordable rate, and then their payments go to the constructions of other houses. Thus, money is being circulated and recycled into the whole project. Habitat for Humanity also provides homeowners with training, hopefully to improve their ability for earning a living in the future. Without the help of Habitat for Humanity, we might spend 10 years or more to improve the living environment for these families. Some of them are sharing space with livestock, some of them are living in seriously damaged homes. With the help of humanity and volunteers, our dreams of having decent shelters could come true in 1 year or less. Even volunteers get a lot out of the experience. In working with the families, they learn more about their cultures and their background. And to see a house still there that you built 10 years later definitely shows you that your hard work is not going to waste. The 26th Jimmy and Rosalind Carter Work Project, led by former U.S. President and Nobel Peace Prize winner Jimmy Carter, will be held on the 15th through the 20th of November 2009. Together with more than 3,000 volunteers from around the world, nearly 200 houses in China, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos will be built and renovated. The Jimmy and Rosalind Carter Work Project is not only a 5-day program, but the beginning of a 5-year Habitat for Humanity initiative to work with 50,000 families across the 5 countries. With a donation of 20,000 Hong Kong dollars, the Chonglai City government, along with Habitat for Humanity China, will donate a matching funds of 180,000 Hong Kong dollars to provide an affordable and decent home for a family in need. According to statistics, every 21 minutes, a family in need has a better home and the prospects of living a better life thanks to Habitat for Humanity, its supporters, and volunteers. Habitat for Humanity is not only giving out decent housing for families in need, but they're also changing their lives.